Don't move. Guys, so we are getting ready. Okay, I don't know if you were here for our last video, you know what the cake looks like. But if you weren't here for our last video, this is what the cake looks like.
With some chocolate.
Especially with some chocolate. And it's our favorite color. I'm going to say pink in 3, 2, 1. Pink! We love pink. So we got treated for her birthday.
For my birthday.
So,
Where's the other phone?
guys, here is our special candle.
Special, always be.
This is to represent the age and how grateful we are for you. So, yeah, guys.
Where's the thing you want? So, guys, I'm looking for a thing. What's saying happy birthday?
I can't find it, sis. I think Mom took it somewhere. There's our annoying brother in the corner.
Yeah.
Bro, come say hi. This is our annoying brother, guys. You see how annoying he is? So, anyways, this is our amazing chocolate
Guys, so
pink
this is
cream
my
cake.
outfit. My outfit. My outfit. My outfit.
Outfit check.
Birthday.
Outfit check. Okay, guys. So, I am so excited. Guys, comment down below from 1 to 10. How does he look? Okay, so we're gonna basically we have to wait for now because we have to wait. Guys, come say bye. The video's almost over. Okay, guys, we are about to say bye in 3.
No, Ellen, stop saying bye early. So,
Because
guys,
look at the thing. Okay, guys.
6, 7, 6, 7.
Guys,
6, 7, 11.
Okay. Okay, guys, I think that's all for today's video. And we are literally watching Bella and Jasmine from Milford. Guys, I would like to meet you one day. I am obsessed with your videos. I don't know if you guys saw it now, but this is them. Subscribe to Milford and to me. And to Jasmine and Bella. Shout out for them and for their mom. Because they commented in all my videos and they're YouTubers.